Ngayon, tuturuan naman natin kayo kung paano mag-add and subtract ng rational expression. First example is 5 over x plus 3 over x squared. Una, bago natin i-combine yung dalawang fraction, kunin muna natin yung common denominator nila. In this case, ang common denominator ng 5 over x plus 3x squared is x. So, multiply lang natin from top to bottom by x. Okay? And simplify na natin. So, 5 multiplied by x is 5x over x multiplied by x is x squared plus 3 over x squared. So, mapapansin nyo, hindi na natin to minultiply kasi naging same na yung denominator nila. Ngayon, pwede na natin silang isulat as a single fraction. So, 5x plus 3 over x squared. Ito na yung final answer. Okay? Next example is x minus 3 over 4 minus x plus 2 over 3. Una, kunin natin yung common denominator ng 4 and 3. So, for you to get the common denominator, multiply mo lang sila. So, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So, una, x minus 3 over 4. Multiply lang natin both numerator and denominator by 3 para magkaroon kayo ng denominator na 12. So, next is minus x plus 2 multiplied by, this time 4 naman, over 3 multiplied by 4. So, same na yung denominator nila. Next is, distribute na lang natin ito. 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 3 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 9. Minus 4x minus 8 over 12. So, combine na lang natin yung like terms. 3x minus 4x is negative x. And negative 9 plus negative 9 is negative 17 over 12. So, ito yung final answer. Okay? Our next example is 4 over x minus 1 plus 5 over x plus 1. Una, kunin natin yung common denominator. For you to get that, multiply natin yung x minus 1 sa x plus 1. And multiply na lang natin siya from top and then yung bottom. So, 4 multiplied by x plus 1 and x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. Yung 5 multiplied by x minus 1 and x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. Next is, distribute natin 4x plus 4 over x minus 1 x plus 1 plus 5x minus 5 over x plus 1 and x minus 1. Next is, pagsamahin lang natin yung like terms. 4x plus 5x is 9x and positive 4 plus negative 5 is negative 1 over x minus 1 and x plus 1. Ito, pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify, which is 9x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. Okay? Next example is x over x squared plus 9x plus 20 minus 4 over x squared plus 7x plus 12. Una, mapapansin nyo na ito ay trinomial, yung denominator. So, check natin kung pwede natin silang ma-factor. Okay? So, x over, we have to think two numbers that has a product of 20 and has a sum of 9, of positive 9. In this case, pwede natin gamitin yung 4 and 5. So, magiging x plus 4 and x plus 5 minus 4 over two numbers again that has a product of 12 and has a sum of positive 7. In this case, that would be 3 and 4. Since 4 times 3 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. Ngayon, mapapansin mo na pareho ng merong x plus 4 sa denominator. Ang next step na gagawin natin is kunin yung common denominator nila. Since common na yung x plus 4, ang imumultiply na lang natin is yung x plus 5 and x plus 3. So, sa left side, multiply natin top and bottom for x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3, while sa right side, multiplied natin siya by x plus 5. Okay? Next is, i-distribute na lang natin yung nasa numerator, x squared plus 3x minus 4x. Negative times positive is negative 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So that would be negative 20 over x plus 4, x plus 5, and x plus 3. So, pagsamasamahin na lang natin sila. Okay? Next is, combine natin yung like terms. So, x squared, positive 3x, minus 4x is negative x, minus 20, over x plus 4, multiplied by x plus 5, multiplied by x plus 3. So from here, x squared minus x minus 20 over x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 3 and x plus 5. Mapapansin natin na ito, pwede pa natin siyang i-factor. So, isip ulit tayo ng dalawang number that has a product of 20 and kapag pinagsama natin is negative x or negative 1. So, in this case, yung pwede natin gamitin, possible yung negative 5 and positive 4. So, factor out na lang natin, which is x, negative 5, and yung isa is x plus 4 over x plus 4, x plus 3, and x plus 5. So, pwede na nating i-cancel yung x plus 4. Okay? So, ang matitira na lang sa numerator is x minus 5 over x plus 3 and x plus 5. So, ito na yung final answer. Okay? Next is x squared over x minus 8 plus 9 over 8 minus x. Una, wala muna tayong i-multiply or i-divide agad. Kunin muna natin, factor out muna natin tong 8 minus x by negative 1. So, x squared over x minus 8 and yung 9 over factor out natin by negative 1. Okay? Yan. So, if we take out negative 1 from 8 minus x, yung negative x natin magiging positive x na. And yung 8 is magiging negative 8. So, arrange na lang natin siya. So, over 9 and yung x squared over x minus 8. Okay? So, next is i-combine na lang natin. So, x squared minus 9 over x minus 8. So, ito na yung simplest form niya. Okay? Next is 5 over x plus 2 plus 2 over x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 1. First, kunin natin yung common denominator. So, multiply na lang natin silang lahat. X plus 2, x plus 1, and x minus 1. So, kung may x plus 2 na natin dito, multiply natin siya by x plus 1 and x minus 1. Sa baba din, x plus 1, x minus 1. Kung may x plus 1 na tayo dito, multiply natin siya by x plus 2 and x minus 1. Okay. And sa denominator, while kung may x minus 1 na dito, multiplied by x plus 2 and x plus 1. Okay. Okay. Next, para ma-simplify muna natin, if foil method natin itong mga to, so rewrite natin. If foil method natin yung x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1, it would be x squared minus 1 plus 2, and then foil this, making x squared plus x minus 2 minus 3, and then foil of x squared plus 3x plus 2 all over x plus 2, x plus 1, and x minus 1. Next step is distribute lang natin. 5x squared minus 5 plus 2x squared plus 2x minus 4, 3 minus 3x squared minus 9x and minus 6 over x plus 2, x plus 1, and x minus 1. Next is combine natin yung like terms. So 5x squared plus 2x squared is 7x squared minus 3x squared is 4x squared minus, combine natin yung 2x and 9x. Positive 2x plus negative 9x is negative 7x, and yung constant negative 5 plus negative 4 is negative 9 plus negative 6 is negative 15 over x plus 2, x plus 1, and x minus 1. Okay, 4x squared minus 7x minus 15 over x plus 2 over x plus 1 and x minus 1. itong nasa numerator, pwede pa natin siyang i-factor. Okay? So, since may coefficient tayo dito, multiply lang muna natin. 4 multiplied by negative 15 is negative 60. So, we have to think two numbers that has a product of negative 60 but has a sum of negative 7. So, 1 and negative 60, hindi siya pwede. How about 2 and negative 30? Pag pinagsama, hindi rin siya negative 7. How about 3 and negative 20? No. Could be 4 and negative 15. Hindi rin siya pwede. But if gagamitin natin yung 5 and negative 12, negative 12 multiplied by 5 is negative 60, while negative 12 plus positive 5 is negative 7. So, pwede natin siyang gamitin. Okay? So, it could be 4x squared minus 12x plus 5x minus 15. Ang next natin gagawin is ipa-factor natin ito by grouping. So, in factoring this by grouping, una kukunin muna natin yung GCF or greatest common factor ng first two terms. So, for 4x squared minus 12x, ang greatest common factor nila is 4x. And 4x squared divided by 4x is x. Minus 12x divided by 4x is 3. Plus, ang greatest common factor ng 5x minus 15 is 5. Divide by 5x is x. 15 divide 5 is 3. So, arrange na lang natin. 4x, pagsamahin natin to, plus 5. And yung x minus 3 over x plus 2, x plus 1, and x minus 1. Meron pa ba tayo makakancel out? Wala na. So, ito na yung simplest form natin. In its complete factor form. Okay?